The William J. and Beverly Goldsborough Scholarship is one of Monmouth College's most selective academic awards. Awarded to only 2 students each year, the Goldsborough Scholarship recognizes outstanding students from the Chicagoland area who have consistently demonstrated academic excellence throughout their high school careers and who also embody the values and mission of Monmouth College. Goldsborough scholars receive a full tuition scholarship for 4 years at Monmouth College. We are honored to name Edrass Chavez of Richard T. Crane Medical Prep in Chicago as a 2022 recipient of the Monmouth College Goldsborough Scholarship.
Getting to know Edrass and having him interview for the scholarship competition, I knew he'd be a wonderful fit for this scholarship, and through his work with the mission that he's currently serving in New York City, it definitely shows that he is driven and very dedicated to the work he is doing now, but he's very, very excited about the work that he'll be doing on campus come the fall semester. Being on campus, I think Edrass will be one student who is going to want to be involved with everything. His involvement throughout his high school and then now being involved with the mission, I think that's just something he's going to take and really be a part of, and be a part of the community and do it as much as he can while on campus. Not only will he be a leader within the classroom, he's also going to be involved within the different organizations that he comes across. And I think, being on campus at Monmouth College, being not only a student, but a part of the student community and getting to know his peers throughout, classes and then other clubs and organizations, that's just going to bring it kind of a full circle with his Monmouth College experience and get him out into the community and show that he's a leader not only here, but also outside in the real world.
He was really enthusiastic and energetic during his interview. Very excited to come to college, very excited to come to Monmouth College. What also struck me is that he has a wide variety of interests. So he's thinking about studying biopsychology. He's also interested in baseball. He's very interested in music. He talked about maybe even putting together some videos to help promote the music department. Just a wide range of interests, and I think he's got great leadership potential. I'm really looking forward to having him on campus. There's a wide variety of opportunities available for students like him. And so, you have options for majors, and then besides your major, you have options for lots of other courses. So for instance, students who are interested in music, they can participate in music all 4 years while they're here, in addition to all of the other coursework that they're doing.
When I got to campus, I just fell in love. It was so beautiful. It's a small school, but it's not like a tiny school. The programs and the extracurriculars and the education, it all very interesting to me. The staff and the teachers, they're all so very kind. The students are so nice. And I was just, as I was walking through doing the college tour, I was like trying to imagine myself at the college. And every time I thought, that would be very nice. That would be very nice. I received an email from Erin. She was like, oh, let me know when I can call. I have some news about the scholarship. I was like, oh, you can call right now. I'm just waiting around. So she calls and I was like, oh, hey, how's it going? She was like, oh, I'm well. How are you? I was like, oh, I'm very good. And she was like, well, I have some news for you. Are you sitting down? And I was like, yep, sitting down. And she was like, well, I just wanted to let you know, and I forgot the word she used, but she said, you got the scholarship. And I was dumbfounded. I was speechless. I'm not very often left speechless, but I was speechless.